Hello everyone, how are you all? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add the size chart button on your Shopify DAO theme version 50.3. This size chart button will be contained with your size variants, so when your customers click on this button, it is going to show your size chart. Okay? We are going to need to add some code in order to be able to do it. So let's get started. And if you are selling clothes from AliExpress, make sure to check this size and easily import any size charts from AliExpress. Link below in the comments. So from your Shopify admin store, click on Online Store. I recommend you first create a backup from your team. So go ahead and click on the three dots and click on duplicate. So if anything goes wrong, you can always go back to your previous version, okay? So after you have backup your theme, click on add the code. And here on the theme editor, we are going to click on assets and we are going to add a new asset. Click on create a blank file and here I'm gonna name it as size chart. The extension gonna be CSS and click it on done. Now click inside the file we just created. We are going to need copy this code. This goes from dialog until content focus. Just copy this code and paste inside the size chart.css. Go ahead and click on save. And now we are going to also need to create a snippet code. So click on the snippets folder. Click on add a new snippet. And here we are going to name it as size chart pop-up. Okay, click on done. Here we are going to paste this line of the code, this piece of the code. And here we are going to paste it. Click on save. And now we are also going to need to replace some code. So we are going to search for this piece of the code and we are going to replace it on our product variant picker. Okay, it is on our snippets folder. So we go back to our Shopify theme editor. We are going to search for the product variant picker. Here we're gonna click inside this file. We're gonna hit the Ctrl F. We're gonna hit now Ctrl V. We're gonna click on next. Now we are going to copy this other line of our code. Go back to Shopify. Select the line and hit Ctrl V. Click on save. And now our code ads are done. So we are going to go back to our Shopify admin store and we're going to need to create our Shopify metafields. So click on settings, click on custom data, products, here add a definition. Here I'm going to name it as size charts. And I'm going to select the type single line text. Now I'm going to save it and close this pop-up. Now we are going to need to create our tables. I like to create my tables on this website. It's called htmltables.io. So type it on your browser and access this website. Here, the first thing we need to do is change the layout to auto. And we can also change the columns and the rows. If we scroll down a little bit, we can edit our table content. So you can just click on the table cells and edit it. And once you have added your table content, you go ahead and just click on this copy button. Now if we go back to our Shopify admin store and click on products, I'm gonna choose some product to add my size chart table. And now I'm gonna paste my size chart table code. Okay, click on save. And you can do it for as many products as you want. Okay, so if I click on preview, probably my size chart is already appearing. Okay, it's appearing. And if you want to get rid of these credits over here, you can just edit this line of the code. You can just remove it. Okay, and the copy and paste again on your Shopify metafield. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.